How to reset Huntington Bank username or password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reset your Huntington Bank's username and or password. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your web browser, search for Huntington Bank, then you can go to its website. We can go to Huntington online banking directly as well, or their website first, and then tap on this button right here to find the login section like this. And if you went to this website, you can reset your username or password by clicking on any one of these here accordingly. So if you tap on this, it will open up this prompt where you can go ahead and reset your username. Similarly, if you forgot your password, you can tap on this to reset your password from here. And same case goes for here. If you tap on forgot password or forgot username, it should take you to the very same page. And again, if you forgot password, it should take you to the very same space where you'll need to enter your username and then your social security number, the last 4 digit, to continue with the reset. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.